Welcome back to our airdrop video. A very big airdrop is coming soon this week. A project backed by USDai Labs and CMU Ventures at once. It's called USDai. So before I get into this, USDai actually was mentioned previous times in our premium analysis, premium guides, and all of those premium contents that we offer. And just to let you know, we're putting out bear market discount, 50% off for annual subscription. So if you want to learn more for DeFi, get the guides, what you should pay attention to, and yeah, the factors, market movers, analysis every week, guides, good farms, one of the best farms actually that we shields, all of it for 50% off. So yeah, the link is down below for the discount link, and let's get into the video. USDai is upcoming. They just announced it last week. It's called CHIP. So how do you get CHIP? You get CHIP by minting USDai here, basic, or you can boost it on Pendle, buy allo points here for their max feature, lock your YT for more allo. And there are two options, so you can get allo TM towards the ICO, which is 70% of the supply will be allocated to the ICO, or you can mint for the airdrop as well. 30% of it will be for the airdrops. So if you have been watching our premiums, watching our contents, yeah, you should be eligible for this upcoming airdrop for CHIP from USDai. So next one, we have a couple new protocols. As always, Perps protocols. One of the interesting Perps protocols that we saw is actually Tread.fi. So Tread.fi is unlike any other perp DEX. It's more of an aggregator, so you can actually trade a lot of DEXs here like Aster, Binance, even Chexes here, and you can trade exclusive limited access DEX like Extended, maybe trade XYZ, Venturals, Markets by Kinetic, Hyena, and all of those are actually, even NATO here, that's quite well known, and you can trade all of these DEX and accrue their points with Tread. And you can also get the Tread points. It's an interesting feature here. It's a DEX aggregator. Why not? You can do all of those fancy delta neutral perps farming all from one place, which is from Tread.fi. And just yesterday they introduced their points campaign. It's a 5x Tread points for exchanges or tickers. So yeah, it's an interesting campaign here from Tread. So you can take a look out for some tickers or some specific exchanges that could benefit you for points here. Next one we got is some updates actually. We've mentioned Reflect Money on Solana. You can get 6x Reflect point by minting PT USD Plus on Exponent and looping it on Loopscale for like around 11% APY. You get a total of 6x Reflect point by 3x on Exponent and 3x on top of Loopscale looping. So the Reflect is pretty cool, but please do your own research. Everything in this video is not financial advice. You should do your own risk analysis, but all of the protocols that we mentioned here is definitely covered by due diligence, and we're making sure if they're a scam or not. And yeah, so it's quite interesting here. Back again with some interesting yield aggregators. It's called Shift. So Shift protocol is a yield tokenization protocol, and right now just launched basic trading USD farm here from Extended. It's called EXTXUSD. It's a 5.9% native APY from basis trading, but it's 11% boosted on Pendle. So you can go to Pendle on base. Let's check on base here. It's not here yet, but it will be soon because the protocol said so right here. Yep. So it will be live soon on Pendle. Not sure on which chain because on base it's not here, but I think it will launch soon. Let's check XUSD. Nope, yep, it's not here. It will probably launch soon. It's an interesting one because you can also trade 11%, like maybe you can LP or around 5 to 6%, and you can get 10% points plus. This is the thing accounted to Extended tier for 10% OTC desk, but it would be worth more, and also 2x for Shift. So it's a 10% points boost for Extended and 2x on Shift. And you can also do that for Pardex here if you're interested, but yeah, this is one of the interesting ones on Shift. Really promising protocol, a very new one actually. It's only below 2 million, so it's very super new. And yeah, I think that's all for this week. Another one is the airdrop claim from Ecoland Market. So Ecoland Market is one of the biggest lending and borrowing protocols on Aptos right now. If you have been lending or if you have been doing activity on the protocol itself, you might be eligible for some points, and those points can be converted into Elon. Elon can just go to their website right here, and everything is provided on our free letter. The airdrop claims and our airdrop checker links are all available on our free letter, but the premiums, like the newest forms, are not included on the free letter. If you want to do that, yeah, just grab 50% discount on our premiums and with our daily guides, and yeah, free letter is also ad-free. So if you enjoy an ad-free letter, the TID premium letter might be the best option for you guys who are very serious. 50% off in a bear market, so it's a fair trade for everyone. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.